This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food skewers and picks, specifically these natural bamboo food picks. And they come in a range of different decorative styles, and we have some of them out here to show you. But these are a great option for restaurants, especially caterers, or even just if you're doing some events or parties at home, or just looking to spruce things up for your everyday dinner. They're a great way to prep single bite apps, to make decorative skewers for fun presentations, and also to prep your cocktail garnishes, sticking a few cherries, a slice of orange, a wedge of lemon, whatever on there. It makes for a fun, fancy, and festive display. A lot of these, because they're decorative like these peacock feathers, are also fantastic for just sticking in a cute dessert or other food item just to add those beautiful little decorative touches. So especially if you're doing something like a bakery and maybe you need some ways to freshen up your display without spending a lot of time on actually crafting decorative details, these little picks can make a great way to spruce things up. I have right here the 4-inch peacock feather, and that measurement is the actual measurement of the pick, and it doesn't include the feather. So these actually add some really nice height, drama, and design to whatever you're using them for. I also have the 6-inch golf tee, so great for sporting themes events, golf events, business lunches, whatever. It's a nice little touch, and you can see it comes in a mix of colors. I also have these 4-inch gold globes, so just a nice bit of shine and sparkle there on the end. The 6-inch bamboo knot, which just adds a little bit of detail, texture, and just a little bit of style, right? Without too much color, sparkle, or flash. It's just a nice natural design, and this one is great for making nice little mini skewers, whether that's all veggies or something like some little chicken satay or something of that nature. Those are a nice little element. I've also got these 4.5-inch red balls. So you can see it's just got a little red trim there. So nice little bright pop of color with just a little bit of detail with that little decorative red sphere. And then super adorable 2 3/4 inch in length, the cute little black mustaches. And this one is also a nice one to stick in desserts on top of a little wedge of cake, petit four, a tart, little cupcake. It adds a nice little decorative finish. And then we also have these cute little red bamboo braided ones. So it's a nice little bit of texture, design, and a pop of color. The bamboo that these are made out of is strong but also sustainable, making them a great option for caterers and home cooks alike.